Hello, I want to show you the quick way to set up your account to get into your child's gradebook in Schoology. I've logged into Infinite Campus. I'm going to go to the More tab on the left. I'm going to go down to the section named Schoology. And I'm going to need this access code to initiate my account. To make that process happen, I go to Schoology.com. I'm going to sign up for an account, and I'll be using that code to connect to my child's class. Then I can log into Schoology, and this is what it first looks like. On the upper right, you can see I'm logged in as myself, but with that code, I have a student's account connected to it. So I'm going to go into the student account. As a parent, I can see a thread of activities of what my student has done. I can click here on those work samples, but really where I want to go is to the grade report. Then I'm going to have to click on this section that he's in. This 2021 YR is for the whole year. I can collapse that and get down to trimester 1, which is the T1. Now here I can link, I can touch any of these links and open the individual assignment and see the submission. And at a glance in the second column, I can see work that's missing, this orange hexagon. This should prompt a conversation with my student. I can see a 1 of 1 completion grade here. And down here, I see a 2 out of 4 with this array next to it. If I click on that array, it'll pop up the grade the student earned. And if I scroll over to the right where the point value is and hover over that dialog box, I can read the comment that the student's teacher left. If I wanted to see exactly what my student turned in, I'd go and click on the hyperlink for models of multiplication worksheet. And then I can click over on the right-hand side for submissions and see exactly the work sample that my student completed. It's loading. There it is. So I can see exactly the type of work and why the student would have received a certain grade. I can X out of this and go back. A couple more things to show you. If I go into courses, pardon me, it logged me into my own again. Go back to the student account. Yep, so there's the student's course. You might see a specialist course, a strings course, etc. If I go in here, I can see everything that the child sees, and I could go into different folders and see exactly the activities for that day. If I go back to the parent account on the upper right, and then I could go into settings, and I can set up notifications. And this could be a way that you get a reminder to check with your student about their work. It just depends what level of notifications you want. So that is how I use Infinite Campus and Schoology to check in on my students' feedback.